Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I deep clean my kitchen appliances. It's been some time, so they are definitely in need of a good cleaning. I'm also going to share with you guys a DIY natural cleaning product, so let's get started. The first thing you want to start off with is an empty spray bottle, some distilled white vinegar, and baking soda. In the spray bottle, you're going to add 1/3 cup white vinegar to 2/3 cups water. This is what we are going to use to clean the inside of the oven as well as the outside of all of the appliances. I'm going to start off with cleaning my oven because this is what is going to take the longest time, and it also needs to sit overnight, so I figured I might as well tackle this first. I'm then going to spray the entire oven with the water and vinegar mixture. Then I'm going to go in and add my baking soda, and in this video you're going to see that I'm kind of just sprinkling around with a spoon, but then I do go back in and completely cover the entire surface, which I will show you guys in a bit. Then I'm also going to add some salt all over the oven as well. Going back in with the water and vinegar mixture, I'm going to spray it down again. You are going to hear a sizzling sound, but that's okay. So while this is cleaning, I'm now going to tackle my dishwasher, and I'm going to add some white vinegar into a cup and then run the cycle. While the dishwasher is running, I'm going to clean the outside of the dishwasher with the water and vinegar mixture. I thought that everything was going to smell a lot like vinegar, but I guess with it being diluted by the water, it wasn't a bad smell at all. Once I finished there, I decided I'm going to tackle my microwave, and I saw that by adding 1 cup of water to 1 tablespoon of vinegar, by putting that into the microwave for 5 minutes, it's going to help loosen up all the gunk that's in the microwave to make it easier to clean. So while that microwave is running, I'm going to tackle our fridge, and as you can see, we have a bunch of magnets and a bunch of stuff all over it. So I'm going to start by removing that, and then I'm going to spray it down with the water and vinegar mix. The key is to also make sure that you're using a microfiber cloth, and this one is one that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Sometimes I do use the one that I have from Grove Collaborative, but that one was actually in the wash, so this one worked perfectly. By the time I was finished wiping down the fridge and putting all of the magnets back, the microwave had finished. So I'm going to remove the water and vinegar mix and then start to wipe down the microwave. I would say the vinegar and water mix did help a little bit with the microwave, but it isn't something that I would say is a holy grail kind of hack, so I don't really think this is something I'm going to do again. Also making sure to clean the outside of the microwave once I was finished, and by this time the dishwasher had finished its first cycle, and then I removed the cup of water and then pulled out the bottom rack and sprayed down some baking soda on that and then ran it again.
does this work? Only 'cause we never say what we think. Waiting for the perfect way. Time zone speed.
And now it's time to clean the stove racks, if that is even a thing. But I just wiped this down with some water and dish soap, and I also made sure to use one of those Brillo pads as well.
Goddamn road 3 times, and I run all the red lights across a million seas just to have you next to me. Paris and Tokyo, I go where I have to go. Screw geography, but would you do that for me?
Then it was time to tackle the oven racks, and guys, this was such a task to clean. Thank God for speed cleaning videos, because this literally took me forever. Once I was finished cleaning all of this stuff, I literally just laid a towel down on the floor and let this stuff dry overnight.
Cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? Cause I know I can't get to you alive.
It is now the next day, and I'm going in with a sponge and really scrubbing down the inside of the oven. I did end up switching out the sponge a bit and also used a Brillo pad as well, because it really helped get all the gook out of the oven.
Yeah, I'd fly this whole world twice if I could be a paradise.
This also was something that took a long time. I really don't feel as if, at least on the door portion, that the grease came up a lot easier. But when I did tackle the inside of the oven, I did see and find that it was a lot easier to get all of the spilts, you know, liquids or anything that falls when we are cooking off of the bottom, as well as the sides and the back of the oven. Once I was finished wiping down and cleaning the inside of the oven, I then put the racks back and then started to tackle the top. The top of the stove didn't take me too long because I actually had cleaned it a couple of days before, because I was cooking some rice, and for some reason every time I cook rice, the water always boils over and gets the top of the stove so dirty. And the last thing I needed to do was tackle the outside of the oven, and I'm just wiping it down again with the water and vinegar mix. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video inspired you to tackle something that you might have been putting off in your own home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I can't wait to catch you guys in my next video. Bye.